Y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I know I look a little crazy right now, but that's why we're here, okay? So I just really wanted to hop on here and show you how I do my puff. Make sure this is very impromptu. I'm in a rush to go somewhere, but I thought I'd just come here and quickly show you how I get my puff. This is a very old wash and go, but I did make a video on how I accomplished this wash and go before it turned into this, but the curls are still super defined in there somewhere, kind of. But that's why we're doing a puff. So let me go ahead and show y'all what I usually do. Okay. So I have the infamous Eco Styler gel, a brush, kind of dirty, and these little like headband, you know, scrunchy things, and then edge control, edge brush, some bobby pins. So I'm gonna make this real quick and simple. So my hair's already sticking up, so this should be easy. Oh, I forgot one thing. Okay, so spray bottle of water, because you want to kind of get your hair wet around the perimeter. Try not to wet too many of your curls, because you're gonna lose that definition. Forgot something else. Moisturizer. I'm just going in with Cantu. I think I used this in my last video. I like this stuff. Just going in to kind of add some moisture because we don't want dry hair. Not a lot though, because you don't want your hair to get poofy. Okay. Gonna add some gel. Just brush your hair and smooth it as you go. Okay, so once you brush that down, I'm gonna go with this, put it on your head, and then I like to kind of crisscross this area here. And then I like to just pull. Pin. Just make sure that it's in place. That may have a little hanging piece, but you could hide it or tuck it into the rest. I'm gonna go in with some more gel and just reinforce my base. Comment down below if this is how you guys do your puffs. Like, I know there's different ways. I used to use like a long string or whatnot and just tie it. I kind of like that way better, but this is what we're working with today. But yeah, let me know how you guys do your puffs, because I know there's different ways to do it. I know a lot of people have like a long one of like a super long one of this, and they like wrap it twice around their neck and then just slide it up. I feel like that's easy, but this is a little too tight for that. Yeah. Also, what's your favorite gel of choice? I like this for like sleek styles, but I like another gel, which you'll see on my next video, wash and go, or maybe it's already been posted, I don't know. But what gel I like to use for defining my curls. So yeah, that's that's basically it. I'm just gonna try to lace some edges. So I went ahead and laid my edges off camera, and I tied it down with a scarf for like 10 minutes. Again, I'm in a rush, so nothing too fancy. But yeah, this is the final result. It's a quick and easy puff for, you know, any day when your wash and go is old and you just want to kind of do something cute. My hair's kind of getting long, so you can't even see the base. I have to find a way to kind of pull this up. Anyway, that's all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.